Hi there, Mac here from Prestige Cars Kent. This is a quick video walk around of our 2017 F-Pace R-Sport we have new in stock. This car is finished in Santorini black. You've got the R-Sport 19-inch alloy wheels. You've got the bi-xenon headlights. You've got the black package with this car, which gets you some of the exterior trim being shown here, all in gloss black. You've got the gloss black roof rails as well. And you've got privacy glass as an optional feature. Onto the inside of the car now, you can see the red Pimento and Ebony leather interior. You've got your lever-wrapped multifunction steering wheel here, access to the cruise control functions on that and the heated steering wheel functions. You've got the panoramic glass roof as an optional feature. You've also got the heated rear seats as an optional feature. You can see your standard front heated seat options here on the screen. You've also got a reversing camera and DAB radio as standard. You've got your drive selector here, you've got access to your climate control functions here, and lastly you can see the rear of the car here in the boot. This car has a power tailgate as an optional feature, as well as a detachable tow bar. If you'd like any more information on this F-Pace R-Sport, please don't hesitate to contact one of our sales team through the number at the end, or inquire through our website.